Zombie apocalypse.
Good morning, BSET second year students for the BSET 2A-1. This is your course facilitator. This is Sir Ken G.E. Merenciano, and you are currently taking ELS 22, which is the Electronics Workshop Practice 1. The class for verification, am I still audible? Is my voice clear? Please confirm. Class, again, is my voice clear? Am I audible? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I know it's I know some of us here didn't take their breakfast because of the early schedule sa kanilang workshop sa lecture ni Sir Adi. So para ma-stimulate yung ating brains, at least galaw-galaw din tayo, ma-exercise ang ating brain cells, let's have an activity. Okay? Since wala pa naman sa ating pinoprovide na possible projects, I need to coordinate with Sir Adi kung ano ba pwede natin gawing project base sa course. Okay, so I'll be sharing you a link, and we will be having a task. You will be having a simple activity. We will be using the Jamboard. Okay, I think you heard, or I know you are some of you are familiar with this. Parang it's an interactive board na ginagamit para sa online meeting or discussion. By the way, class, kindly check sa ating in-call messages sa ating Google Meet and let me know if you can access, or comment section or box. Class, can you follow? Hello?
Yes po, sir.
Thank you, Miss Chilis. How about the others? Can you access the comment section or the box?
Yes, sir.
Ay, sorry, the the Jamboard. So, na-open na po ba? Okay, nakita ko na yung mga naka-login. Sige. So, I'll be sharing this para makita ng karamihan. Sige. Since you already access our Jamboard, ano nakikita po natin? Anyone? What's on the picture? For those who already access the Jamboard? Class? Hello, are you still there? Wala naman kayong energy Mayroon naman kayong energy gap. Hello class, can you follow?
Ano pa, sir? Nagdo-download pa, sir.
Nag-download ka mukhang Jamboard? Anyone? So, nagets ko. Sige. So, meaning to say, class, hindi yun na-access yung Jamboard. Please confirm. Kuha mo
Hindi
yung...
pa po, sir. Need pa i-download.
Access lang, sir.
Sino po yung nakaka-access? Is it Miss Aseo lang? How about the others? Hello? Okay.
Sako, sir. Need i-download.
Downloading pa po, sir.
Okay, sorry. Akala ko kasi meron na kayong... Kasi ang Jamboard para siyang classroom, blackboard. Pero this time, interactive siya. So, doon kayo pwede magsulat, pwede kayo mag-share ng insights, or mag-drawing, or maglagay ng comment. Okay. So, sige. I'll share screen ko para makita po natin. So, only a few yung nakaka-access ng itong application na to. So, okay. I saw already Miss Chilis, Jel, Kenneth. Kanina nakita ko si Pero class, can you now access or can you see what's on the screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For those who has the app already, for those who can access, you can type, you can draw or write ating Jamboard. Okay? As I've said, you can draw, you can write ating Jamboard. And you can interact with it. So, may activity class. Pa-delete muna. Mamaya na yung aking instruction. Sige. At least, na-access na ng ilan. Thank you. So, ano nakikita po natin? For those who can access. Class?
Logo ng Bicol University, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So, based sa picture, anong pumapasok sa isip ninyo? I need word lang ha. Word, not words. One word lang. Every time you look at the picture of the logo, what comes into your head or into your mind? Okay? You can now type or you can write. Okay? You can do it now. I'll be giving you 5 minutes. Pero pag nahirapan kayo, pwede nyong i-type. Kasi dito, example ha, kung nahirapan kayo magsulat, kasi some of you are using mobile phones, pwede nyong gamitin tong text icon and then type. Can you follow? Sige. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. To those who, sino nagsulat ng future, okay lang po yan. Nothing to worry about. Yan, can it be undone? Pwede mo siya ma-undo. Kung sakali. Hindi na ata. Sige. Anybody, please interact. Okay? For this activity. Sino, isa lang po ba nakaka-interact dito sa ating Jamboard? Only one?
Ako din po.
Sige po, you can write. So, kasi marami tayong mga sample na gagawin based on sa using this mode or application. Last, please participate po, cooperate. Hindi po to
Sir,
traditional
ano
type.
po yung code?
Naka-share na po siya. Please proceed sa you can access it anytime. I already shared the link. Wala naman siyang code. And yung classmates mo nga nakaka-edit na eh. Unless you don't have the app. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay. Okay. I have 3 already who are providing their answers. Sige. Sino po hindi nakaka-access? Please let me know. Kindly click the right hand icon or the raise hand icon. Sige, let me check dito sa ating Google Meet. Okay, Camille. Okay. For those who can't access using the Jamboard, please put your comments. Comments sa ating chat box or in-call messages and tell me what comes into your mind when you every time you see this picture or logo. Okay. Again, for those who don't have the Jamboard application, you can type or place your answers in the comment section or in-call messages located in our Google Meet on the right side part. So, meron lang ba akong 4 na students? Mamaya, your output will be credited ha. For those who are not cooperating, I'm sorry. As I've said, during the orientation po, dapat participative and interactive po ang ating session. Okay po. Huwag nyo naman po babuyin yung logo. Diba? Sabi ko, you can use the type icon. Kasi tingnan nyo ha, minarder nyo na yung logo. Kawawa naman. Di ba ito yung ating ng college natin? Palitin ko lang. Huwag yun naman paglaruan yung Jamboard, ha? Sige. Good, yun lang, pasimple nyo, merong development dito. Yes, what is it?
Sir, paano po maka-join?
Pa-check po ng comment section or in-call messages. Nakikita mo po ba? Late ka po bang pumasok? Yes?
Ang pangit sir ang sulat ko.
Okay lang yan, basta may sagot. Kaya nga, para hindi ka na magsulat-sulat, kasi if you're using your mobile phone or device, i-click mo lang tong icon. Okay, i-click mo lang po tong icon, no? Nakikita mo yung kamay ko? Ay, yung cursor? Nakikita ba?
Sir.
Ito, example ha. I-click mo yung text box. Drag mo lang, naka-type ka, anything. Okay? Ganun. Diba? Sige. Hurry up. You only given 3 minutes to answer, to provide your answer. And please ha, yung hindi ko nababasa, I'm sorry, you will not be given credit ha. Yung nakikita ko lang kasi tatanungin ko kayo mamaya kung anong sinulat ninyo. Sige. Ayaw. Sige. Mhm. Ay nako. Sabi ko wag yung babuyin yung logo. Maawa naman kayo, dito kayo nag-aaral. Ganun din yung logo, class. Pwede naman ka mag-type. Bakit pinapahirapan nyo pang sarili nyo mag-drawing? Hindi naman to drawing course. Tingnan nyo ha. You're not following instructions, class. Ano? Please lang. Hindi po magandang tingnan to. Kasi, take note ha. This is recorded video and I'm going to upload this. Kung ba makakita sa inyo nito, ito ba yung mga second year? Hindi to, we're not playing games here ha. This is a recorded recitation. So please cooperate. Okay? Sige. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. 9 yung may pan mamaya. Sige. So let us, I already give you enough time. Let's proceed to the next part. Masagot po nung number, nakikita nyo yung number 2 slide? Class, can you still follow? Okay. Do it now. Ano po, wag natin bastusin yung logo, ano? Napaka-importante ng logo. It's your identity. It represents kung ano ka.
One word din po ulit, sir.
Apo. Pero wag naman po papatong sa logo. Paalis naman po dito. Apo. Oh, ba't may mga drawing na naman yan? Alis po lang, wag na pong sulatan para hindi po madumihan. Saka pa-move po ng logo. Ang kulit. Di marunong sumunod. Ano to? Okay. Can you adjust the scale, the word skilled and skill? Ako na mag-a-adjust, nakakaya naman sa inyo. Yung sabi ko, wag niyong pababuhin yung logo. Kapang class. Diyos ko. Okay, proceed. Okay? Okay, let's proceed to the next slide since time's up na sa second part na to. Okay. Can you take a closer look at the picture? Yan. Okay? Sige. Take your time. Okay? Let's proceed to the next part. Yes? Okay. Sige. Take your time. Okay, let's proceed to the next. Okay. This time po, kindly remove the word I see. Iba yung ipapagawa ko ngayon. Last, am I still audible? Can you follow?
Yes po, sir.
How about the others? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, as you can see, may mga pictures yan. Alam ko kung anong naisip nyo dyan. This time, kindly identify kung alin dito yung active and alin dito yung passive. What you're going to do, i-drag nyo lang. Okay? I-click nyo, then drag the component or sa tingin nyo saan siya belong. And I'm going to ask kung sinong kumuha niyan and tell me bakit mo nilagay dyan. Thank you. Proceed. Drag. Just click. If you can drag. Okay, I think na segregate na natin or na sort na natin yung mga components. Let us proceed to the next part. Ay, wala na pala. Okay. So, I think it's high time to know kung ano pa yung, kung bakit ito po yung mga sinagot ninyo sa ating Jamboard. Okay? So, I'm going to click and please confirm kung it's sa'yo ba to and tell us why, bakit ito yung sagot mo. Okay? Sige. Can we now start? Class? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sige.
Yes.
Huwag na pong sulatan kasi dinidelete ko na nga. Ang pangit ito sa video kung makikita itong mga pinaglalagay-lagay ninyo. I-drag ko lang para at least ayusin ko muna. Ay. Sorry. Okay. Para makita at mabasa din ng ilan. Okay. Ang daming sinagutan dito Sige. Let us check your work. Sige. Who typed the word professional? Wag na po may Feel free to share. And your ideas are welcome here. Sige po. You are recognized. What is it po? Hello? Pasagot na po. Why is it that you type there professional? You are now recognized.
Madaming nagiging professional po, sir. Sabihin.
Sige, bakit? Bakit mo nasabi?
Dahil nagiging successful yung iba, sir.
What else? You are graded, Take note, you are graded. Please elaborate your answer para malinaw. Once I call the name po, please explain to us. Okay, so marami nag-graduate. Ano pa? Ano pa yung naiisip mo? Yun lang po ba? Hello? Loading na naman tayo. Ano pa po?
A few moments later.
Okay. Parang hindi ka ata nag-almusal Okay. Sige. How about the next answer? Who said future? May I know po from this group? Hello?
Mr. Navarro po, sir.
Yes po, Mr. Navarro. Sige po, what is it?
I typed that word, sir, because sa ano po baga, sir, mission is world-class university and I see my future in this university po, sir.
So, naalala mo yung sa quadrant mo? Ano yung sinagot mo na your goal after you finish this course? Mr. Navarro?
Ano, sir, to graduate here in this university and to gain more knowledge pa rin po, sir, sa goal ko.
Pero wala ka pang definite career na gustong tahakin or try to pursue after you finish your BSET
Sir,
course?
Still, ano pa rin po, sir. Nag-iisip pa rin po.
Okay, it's okay. And thank you for your honesty. Kasi, tama din. Kahit at this point in time, you can still predict what future awaits, or the good thing is you have a plan. Mas maganda, as early as now, you have a goal in life. So thank you, Mr. Navarro, for sharing. How about the next word? Ito nakita ka. Inspiration. Who typed this? Anyone? Wag na po may ano, lahat po kayo tatawagin.
Ako po, sir.
Yes po, bakit po inspiration?
Ano po, sir, nakaka-inspired po ko yung school po kasi marami po silang nakakreate na professionals.
Ano pa? Yun lang po ba?
At marami pong nagiging successful dahil po sa university na ito.
Ikaw, gusto mo din ba maging successful?
Siyempre, sir.
Oo nga. Pero anong kwan mo? If gusto mong maging successful, what kind of success ang gusto mong ma-attain kapag natapos mo tong course na to?
Ano po, sir, yung magkaroon ng successful na profession and business po.
Okay. Business pa rin. Thank you for sharing. Sige po. How about, kasi may dalawang words dito na parehas din yung laman. Ito saka ito. So, i-click ko lang to. Sino nag-type nito? Just be honest, Who typed this one? Yes? Bakit nilagay mo kaya quality? Can you tell us more about it? Sige.
Kasi sir, yung university sir, known as world class po sir, yung university. Tas quality naman talaga sir yung pagbibigay nila sir ng instruction ninyo po and yung kind of teaching po sir.
Okay, thank you. Sa tingin mo kaya, pag sinabing world class, ano ba pag sinabing world class, ano bang pumapasok din sa isip natin or sa isip mo?
Kwan sir, pag sinabi ka sir na from Bicol University sir, parang laging may wow sir, wow factor sir.
Okay, wow factor. Sige. Thank you for sharing. Sige, let's proceed to this next one. Pipili lang ako since madami kayong nilagay dito. I think 2 or 3 more. How about pathway? Who selected to come up with this idea? Anyone?
Ako po, sir.
Sige po.
Ano po, sinip ko yung pathway kasi po, ang pathway which means yung daanan. And if nag-take po tayo ng daan, syempre po, yun po yung drive natin kung saan po tayo papunta. And para po sa akin, yung view, yung pathway ko para mabot yung goal ko, which is yung pagiging professional.
Okay. Well said. Maganda yun. Okay. Sige. Who type or teka lang. Sige. Who type or naglagay dito ng maganda to leadership. Actually, may dalawa dito eh. Ito lang. Sino nag-type nito? Leadership.
Ako po, sir.
Okay. Yes, Chilis?
For me po, sir, is leadership is having the characteristic of leadership. We could be able we could be responsible, aware, and motivated to do even the hardest part of our studies po.
Okay, good. Okay. Kasi leadership kasi, thank you Miss Chilis, leadership kasi is part of the 4 pillars ng Bicol University. By the way, class, since second year na kayo, alam nyo ba yung 4 pillars ng BU? Binigyan ko na kayo ng isa, leadership. Class, do you have an idea? Hello? Anyone from this group would like to give me the 4 pillars of Bicol University? Ala ka
Ano
dyan.
po, sir?
Sige po.
Scholarship, leadership, character, and service.
Okay. Good. Tama. Okay. Scholarship, leadership, character, service. Yan ang 4 pillars ng BU. Thank you, Mr. Opinia, for sharing. Sige. Let us now proceed to... Parang may pasir ka kita, ah. Parang may pa-event Sir Kenji, ah. Sige. Let us now proceed to the next part. Sige. Ay, by the way, before ko i-share yung mag-proceed tayo sa second part, pakita ko muna yung ating kindly look at the video. And I'm going to ask certain questions after watching this video. By the way, nakikita po ba, class? Is it visible for everyone?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Sige. Okay. So class, since you are a bona fide, in other words, legit, BUNyo or a BUSIT student or a BSET or electronics technology student, I know in every courses you are oriented and asked to not just memorize but to bear in mind and to integrate this university's vision. Okay. Ano ba yung vision ng Bicol University nga? Naalala niyo pa ba? Do you still remember? As a BU student? What is the vision of the Bicol University? Anybody can recite? Class? Hello there. Class, you do.
Vision po, sir.
Yes po. Go ahead.
Vision, a world-class university producing leaders and change agents for social transformation and development.
Come again? Hindi ko na-capture.
A world-class university producing leaders and change agents for social transformation and development.
Correct. Tama. Class, as a BUSIT student, as a BU student or a BUNyo, dapat alam nyo ang Bicol University's vision. Nakakaya naman po if may dumalaw sa atin, bumisita sa atin, and magtanong kung ano ba ang vision ng Bicol University. Pag sinabi nating vision class, it talks about the goal, the aims, the dream of a certain institution or organization. Ano ba ang goal ng ano ba ang vision ng BU? The vision of BU class is to have a world-class university. Okay. Ito, real token ko kayo ano. Do you believe that Bicol University is a world-class university? May I know your thoughts, your action? It's either a positive or negative. Just be honest with me. Anybody who would like to react?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who said that? Is it Mr. Navarro?
Ako po, sir.
Mr. Opina. Sige, go ahead.
For me, sir, Bicol University is a world-class university because the university creates successful professionals that not only provides provides professionals for the local industry but for also international industries.
Okay. So, when we say world-class, we're referring to the graduates. Tama ba? Graduates ng BU. To be successful in terms of their endeavor or career or to be professional, ika nga nila. Okay, na hindi lang dito sila makikilala within the local, sabi mo, local industries, companies, agencies, organizations, but globally. That's why we as faculty, we develop, we hone students who will later on not just graduate, but a globally competitive graduate. May point ka din. Tama din yung idea mo. Okay. Who will be successful in their own chosen careers. That's the good thing about why you are studying in Bicol University. What's another idea? Can I hear some ibang point of view? Para mabalance natin. Do you believe that BU is a world class? Meron bang nag-o-oppose dito? Just be honest lang ano. Your ideas, your concepts po are welcome and entertained for this course. Hindi ko po siya i-criticize. Your ideas are welcome and open here. Anybody? Wala? Nagpapasave ba kayo dito? Kasi recorded to. Who else? What's an idea? Do you think, class, Bicol University is a world-class university? Hello, people. Class, participate naman po tayo. Anybody would like to react? Do I have only here 2 or 3 students? Hello? Class? Hello, galaw-galaw din pag may time. Anybody? Yes po, Mr. Navarro.
Yes, and it's a 50-50, sir.
Mhm.
Let's say, sinabi po ng Rupina, yes, it's a world class in terms with the student na gumagraduate na hindi lang tayo sa local, but sa international. But the no, sir, is yung facilities is a bit, sir, na di mo masasabing world class siya, sir. It's my opinion, sir.
Okay lang. I admit and we appreciate your idea, your answer. Tama. Reality check ano? Oh, thank you, Mr. Navarro. Reality check. We develop students to be globally competitive. However, to say that para maging globally competitive ka and maging ready ka, maging part ng 21st century workforce, kailangan, isa sa mga na-observe mo, tama yun, yung facilities natin. Good thing naman, sana na-observe nyo din. Diba? Kasi sa totoo lang, we are teaching electronics technology with laboratory. Kahit pa paano, meron din kaming laboratory. But the question is it up to date? Recent ba siya? And pag sinabi nating facilities, is it adequate or sufficient ba siya o meron tayong sapat na facilities para maturuan ko ng electronics? Diba? And I know, di ba, ang iba sa inyo nakapasok na or tawag dito or may, nakita na yung rooms ni Sir Gilmore, ni Sir Adi, yung sa akin. Can you consider that is an electronics laboratory? Class? Hello? Hello po? Vaporing ba? Okay. So, madaling sabi, class, doon na yung iba sa atin nahihiya. Admitted naman po kami. Meron tayong facilities kahit pa paano. But to give you and to convince you that it's a world class, medyo malabo. Medyo malayo. Okay? Kasi pag sinabi nating world class facilities, yung room, centralized aircon, ventilated siya, every table 1:1 ratio, one computer, one student, and meron siyang tinatawag na variable power supply, meron siyang mga signal it is equipped with oscilloscope, meron kayong mga outlets na individual, diba? Yun ang ini-imagine, diba? Yun ang ini-imagine yung laboratory. Yun ang pinapangarap ko din. Okay? Aside from the facilities, ano pang na-observe ninyo pag sinabi natin world-class university ang BU? Anyone? Elise, are you there?
Yes po, sir.
Sa tingin mo, just be honest, because ano pang na-observe mo na siguro kulang sa atin? Ano ba yung sa tingin mo na kailangan improve as observation as a student? And take note, you're a leader, right? Sige.
For me po, sir, the BU itself po, like, aware naman po ako na maraming students ang Bicol University. Pero, for me po, medyo hassle po yung, like, para sa amin po, may 8:30 class po kami, PM, tapos, kunwari po, nasa busit po yung morning and afternoon class po namin, tapos may 5:30 PM to 8:30 PM po kaming schedule sa ibang campus. Medyo hassle po sa amin kasi kailangan pa namin mag-transportation. Siguro po, I'm not like demanding po, sir, pero in the future po, siguro po mas better po kung yung BU po, isang BU na lang, ganun po, sir.
Okay. Good idea. And I see the point. Good observation, Miss Abinion. Kasi totoo lang, even when I was a student, struggle din namin yan. We have to transfer from one campus to another just to have, unless when you say world class, right? When you say world class, dapat yung university nagpo-provide sana ng parang mode of transportation kung sakali gusto nila yung concept pa rin na magta-transfer from one campus to another, or there's a shuttle bus, or kasi di ba we're aiming for a world-class university, right? And siguro Miss Chilis is pointing yung system. Okay, kagaya ng yung scheduling and arrangement ng klase. Tama naman din po. So struggle din sa student, lalo na kapag maulan, right? Na pag maulan, tapos pupunta ka sa kabilang school. And good thing yung may mga pamasahe, yung may mga service, yung may mga vehicle. How about for those who don't have? Diba? Since we're talking about system, can you still remember during the enrollment? Ano ba? Madali ba sa part ninyo ang enrollment?
Hindi po, sir.
Okay.
Sobrang hassle po, sir.
Okay. So, I know, though I'm part of the university, I'm not parang hindi ko naman ginajudge, hindi ko naman tawag dito, sinisiraan. Kasi part ako ng BU. I am part of the system. And ako lang kasi, I have to be fair. Hindi porke faculty ka ng BU or kuwang ka, parang tawag dito, lahat na lang magaganda. Kaya nga, I need to consult, I need to ask my students kung ano nakikita ninyo so that yung mga feedback ninyo can be our means or basis to improve the system. Okay? Thank you, Miss Chilis, for sharing. Okay. Plus, kaya nga siya tinatawag na vision kasi it's a dream. Okay? Sana maintindihan po ano. Kasi pag sinabi, kasi ang iba kasi ang mindset ng mga kabataan ng mga kagaya ninyo, instant, matic agad. Diba? Pag sinabing world class, dapat makaskas yung enrollment. Dapat well-equipped kami with facilities. Plus, it undergoes a process. A step-by-step process. Okay, to be fair, even though I'm from BU, we are doing our part to provide you this, what we call, world-class university. World-class university, it's a dream. That's why it's a vision. Kumbaga, pangaturugan. Pero, little by little, in fairness to our university, we are doing our best. Diba? Kahit pa paano may improvement na. Sa totoo lang, class, nakulaw ng improvement kang BU, particularly sa Busit, when I was a student. Ang roads, ang mga facilities, ang mga buildings, lumaon yan before. As in, Marcos type pa ang building. Time pa ni nung father ng president natin ngayon, yung mga building namin. Saka we have hindi pa patag yung daanan. Okay? And hindi pa well ventilated. Wala pa kaming mga facilities, kulang. Kung meron man, kulang. Limited yung soldering iron. But this time, we have now the multi-tech building. And kahit papano, makikita nyo yung mga facilities doon. Okay? Hindi naman siya masasabing world class. At least, we can provide you. And that's why we are here. We are trying our best na later on, if maabutan nyo o hindi maabutan, makadagdag ng panibagong equipment para maintindihan ninyo kung ano ba ang electronics. And para, pagdating nyo sa mga company or industry, hindi kayo maka-culture shock. Kaya linawin ko lang we are not here para sirain yung BU. We are here para at least there is a room for improvement. And good thing I am asking you students para magkaroon tayo ng at least your ideas could be also a basis. Kasi because based on the BU quality policy class, you are our clients. Kayo ang kliyente namin. Kaya kami nagpapakahirap magbigay ng lectures or lessons, magbigay ng activity, mag-provide ng quality of education para din po sa inyo. Okay? So, thank you for sharing, Miss Elise. And let us now proceed to the next part. Okay? So, how about this one? Guys, can you still follow? Am I audible?
Sir, hindi na po nagalaw po yun.
Ay, sorry. Okay. This time.
Yes po, sir. Okay na po.
Okay? Take note kasi your ideas here are welcome. Where it's a negative, positive, okay lang po yan. The better. Mas maganda tugit o maintindihan ko kung ano mga kuro-kuro or point of view ninyo about sa topic na ginagawa natin ngayon. Okay? Somebody wrote here a priority. May I know who type or pa-confirm naman po, wag na maya.
Ako po ulit, sir.
Okay, yes, Miss Chilis.
For me po, as a student na di po tigpili yung course na yun, I think we should properly know our priority in order to know the right pathway towards our dream po.
Okay. Sige. So now that you are taking this course, that's the spirit. You should know your priorities as a student. Okay? That's why, class, I know this time, based on your schedule, you are bombarded with different courses. In each courses or subject, has a corresponding task or requirement. Piece of advice, time management. Make a to-do list. A to-do list para siyang notes or memo. Ano ba yung mga dapat kong gawin from day-to-day living? Simple. And that practice, ma-apply nyo yan sa pag-apply nyo ng trabaho in all aspects of life. Better you organize yourself. Okay? Halimbawa, may mga projects na sabay-sabay na pinapagawa ang mga prof ninyo or faculty. So think kung ano ba yung dapat kong i-priority. Ano ba yung mas malapit na ang deadline? Ano ba yung mas kaya kong gawin and available yung mga materials? Diba? So, it's a matter of prioritizing things. Now that you are taking this course, therefore your priority is to complete the task requirements and pass this course and look for a stable job in the future. Or if not, a possible what do you call this, career. Pwede ka mag-career shift or pwede ka mag-aral ulit. So, habang may buhay, may pag-asa, di ba? So, there is always an opportunity awaits for you. Kaya ikaw ang magdadala. Kaya kanina sabi ng isang classmate nyo, parang pathway. Kasi kayo mismo ang maglalakad o magbibigay direction na gusto nyong landas na tahakin. Okay? Sige. I saw here na kulay pink yung note na nakalagay dito, innovation. May I know from this group who wrote or typed innovation? Yes?
Opo.
Yes, Miss Asejo?
Yes, sir. Para sa akin, sir, innovation kasi ang busit po is more on technology po. Hindi lang po sa electronics or electrical or what. Kasi meron din po sila yung parang sa food technology po. Yung in base po doon sa food technology is nag-ano rin po sila. Tig-innovate din po nila yung process not just po sa mga electrical or what. Pati rin po yung sa mga foods and industrial po.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. Pag sinabi kasing College of Industrial Technology, we cater skills. Okay? We cater skills. Yan ang ating primarily, we are producing what do you call this? Globally competitive graduates. Okay? So, but here, sa aking, to my own discourse, hindi lang dapat skills ang kailangan linangin or i-hone yung mga estudyante ng busit. Even the character. A BSET or a busit student should not only be equipped with skills but imbued with a positive character or attitude. Eh di ba, there's a saying goes na attitude first before skills. Kasi ang iba sa atin, magaling mag-solder, magaling mag-troubleshoot, magaling mag-repair, kaso may problem attitude. He or she doesn't want to work in groups. Hindi siya minsan laging late, absent, something like that. So here sa course na to and here in Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, attitude or character is an important factor. Yung mga natutunan nyo dito, whether good or bad, madadala nyo yan pagdating nyo ng trabaho. Ang role namin class is to guide you, is to redirect you. But beyond that, after you graduated, beyond our control na yan. Okay. Kaya habang nag-aaral kayo dito, tinuturuan namin ko kayo to become a better member or a productive member of the society. Hindi lang puro pag-solder tayo or technical skills. Even the character development plays an important role. And huwag natin kalimutan din, knowledge. Dapat equip ka with technical knowledge about electronics. And you are aware what is happening or what is the recent development of technology. Because later on, when you take ELT 38, which is the Electronics Research and Design, gagawa ka mismo ng sarili mong innovation. So again, pasensya na ipakulit si Sir Kenji. I know I mentioned this when you were in first year. Please, class, at this point in time, think of a possible research study. Whether you like it or not, you will take a research. And I will be your course facilitator for ELT 38. Okay? Sige. So let us now proceed to, let me check. Sorry. Okay. Who type po process? Last one. Who type po process? And may I know your thoughts about this? Meron po ba? Sige po.
Ako po, sir.
Si Navarro ulit. Sige.
Kaya ako po, sir, siya inilagay na process because, sir, sa totoo lang, this is not my course that I want, but I need to process step by step to love this course and to mahalin siya, sir, na kailangan ko tapusin na to step by step to give my future, to achieve my goals in life.
Okay. Now, tell me honestly, do you now start liking or loving this course?
Yes, sir. I'm still, ayoko lang ng calculus and physics, sir. Yun lang.
whether you like it or not, you will take calculus. Ang calculus kay Sir Joseph yan kay Engineer Bustamante yan differential, I think. Ngayon tama, may differential ba kayo ngayon?
Meron po, sir.
At after next sem naman, integral. Okay, whether you like it or not, you will undergo the process. And yung isa, yung sa physics naman is Dr. Cabrillas. Siya yung in charge para doon. I also we have the same Mr. Navarro. Paras yung ating kuan. I really hate numbers, sa totoo lang. Ang mindset ko diyan, ang philosophy ko diyan, basta tataw ka mag plus minus, buhay ka. Yan ang dating kuan ko diyan. But calculus, if you're going to study deeper or going to understand that, maraming application yan. Ginagamit yan sa business, sa industry, sa research. Numbers plays an important role din. So, Sir Bustamante is magaling dyan sa magturo sa kanyang course. And I know he will help you with your struggle sa math or sa numbers. Okay? Sige. So, ito yung ating, since na-mention niyo na yung idea about the picture about Busit, ito pala yung class yung ating okay. Nakikita po ba? Is it visible on your part?
Yes, sir.
So, this is the Busit, BMGO, and BSET objective. Since I already presented the Busit vision, diba? It's a world-class university producing leaders. Kasi you will be leaders and change agents or catalysts that will transform social transformation and development. Okay? Ito yung ating mission. The big university shall give professional and technical training and provide advanced and specialized instruction in literature, philosophy, the sciences, and arts, besides providing for the promotion of technological researches. Ito yung mga goals ng BU, ay ng Busit. But here, let's focus sa ating department. May tinatawag tayong class objectives. The objectives of the BSET conceived with the purpose of providing qualified and competent professionals. After you graduate, you will become professionals in your own chosen career or field, who shall bridge the gap between the highly skilled technicians and the highly technical electronic engineers. It also projected that these professionals will propel the region's development in industrialization by engaging the teaching profession for technology transfer and in entrepreneurial undertakings, thereby generating job requirements. So we have 6 objectives. Okay. Why are you studying electronics technology? Kasi ang iba, hindi pa natakal siguro ng ibang professor o hindi pa malinaw sa inyo as a BSET student. The first objective of this program is to provide technical, technological knowledge, and information which will empower the individual to perform problem-solving tasks in the electronics industry. Majority graduates of BSET are now in their respective company. So, your learnings here or knowledge is to prepare you para sa pag-work ninyo sa mga industry-related or companies. Okay, na may kaalaman kayo, may sapat kayong kaalaman, karunungan, or skills. And then, importante, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung character. Kasi, kung saan man kayo, daladala nyo yung pangalan ng Bicol University. Isa isip at isa puso po natin yan. Okay? Second, is to provide or to produce qualified and competent professionals who will bridge the gap between the highly skilled electronics technicians and the electronics engineers. Okay? Some of you, after he or she finished this course, would like to pursue engineering. Magandang opportunity yung class and it is advantage. Kasi sa electronics technology, marami ka ng skills, marami ka ng knowledge na tutunan. And if you're going to take ECE or other related engineering disciplines, mas madali mo na maintindihan. And kasi may advance ka ng knowledge about electronics. You can pursue engineering. So these objectives can lead you to a certain career once you finish this or able to graduate from this program. The third one class is to develop technically competent professionals who will engage in the teaching profession for the electronics technology. If some of you here would doesn't want to pursue engineering class, you can teach technology subjects, particularly to our field of discipline. Okay, all you have to do is after this you can take the certificate for professional teaching, the CPT or CCT ang dating tawag dyan eh. Maybe 2 sems lang siguro or 2 years. And after that, you are now allowed to take the board exam or ang board exam for teaching is what we call LET. LET stands for Licensure Examination for Teachers. Okay, pwede kayong magturo. Kung ayaw yung maging isang engineer, pwede kayong magturo. Lalong-lalo na ngayong class, in demand ang mga technology teachers or TBL teachers kasi nangangailangan po sila ng electrical and electronics technology. Okay? The fourth one is to develop entrepreneurial competencies that will lead to self-employment and generation of local job opportunities. In other words, class, you can put up a business. You can come up with different a shop or a electronic supply store or anything na related sa electronics. So who said ng electronics is just simply repair of domestic appliances like television and electric fans, something like that. These are your possible career or paths na pwede nyong tahakin pag natapos nyo tong electronics technology. Okay? The fifth one is to promote scientific, technological researches and developmental studies. Some of you might hear wants to invent, wants to innovate, wants to develop technology. Okay? Na something na makakatulong sa society or within our community. Pwede po. That's why you have a subject called research or the ELT 38, Electronics Research and Design, and the other one class is ELT 45. Okay? The sixth or the last objective is to develop qualified and competent professionals imbued, ito yung sinasabi ko, with desirable values and work ethics in the electronics industry. So class, this is the 6 objectives of our university. Okay? So let us now proceed again to our activity. Ano to? Ba't nawala? Ba't nawala yung picture dito? Baka nagka-problema sa'yo. Yung picture kanina. By the way, class, nakikita po ba? Ulit?
Yes po, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yung picture kanina, ba't nawala to? Bak pati picture, may kumukuha na. So, yung picture kanina is a woman na nagsasolder, right? So, may I know who wrote or typed the word focus? Anyone?
Ako, sir. Ako, sir.
Dito, teka, check ko. Okay, let's give chance to others. Ano? Like, kung na-jackpot ka mo nila. How about application? Who typed this? Hello? Who type po the word application? Ito na naman tayo. Yes, Monporte?
Yes, sir. Yung application na po yan, sir, nung knowledge na nagain natin sa lecture and from na-share ng mga teacher and professor natin sa atin, sir. Tapos i-apply na, sir, sa true process o action na, sir, yung application na po, sir.
Okay, well said. Thank you, Mr. Monporte. Yun ang aking reason kung bakit nilagay ko yun na picture. Because your course is ELS 22, Electronics Workshop Practice 1, which is, sa klase ko, purely laboratory. That's why tama yung sagot mo, application. Kasi based from the lectures presented and discussed by Sir Adi, gagawan po natin yan. Parang ganito yung class. Theory put into practice. Diba? Yung mga natutunan yung mga learnings nyo about resistors, capacitors, inductors, active components, soldering and desoldering of the printed circuit board. These are elements or learning contents for ELS 22 na pag once na pag-aralan nyo to, gagawa kayo ng project na tangible, na something that is can help or benefit you or the others. And magagamit nyo siya. Kasi kayo ang gumawa ng project na yun. Kung ba yun ang magiging memorabilia nyo sa akin. I remember when during the face-to-face, pag nakikita kami ng mga students ko or ng mga graduates, sir, andun pa po yung pinagawa mo sa aming amplifier, speaker, and it's working. Sir, every time na, di ba, I think nauso yung mga memes, di ba? I-memes ngayon ni Jose Marichan. Kapag sinabi natin Jose Marichan, that's the opening of beer month. So, malapit na yung party-party, mga Christmas, something like that. So, every time na merong Christmas or New Year, naka-standby yung mga speakers nila. So, nagagamit nila yon kapag may mga occasions sa kanilang lugar. So, yun ang naalala nila sa akin. Sana yung mga project ninyo, wag nyo sanang itapon, wag nyo sanang sirain. And kasi yung pinapagawa kong project is magagamit ninyo in the long run. Okay, tama yung sinabi ni Mr. Monporte. Sige. Let's proceed sa next. Who type? Okay. Medyo emphasis tong Maraya. Hard work. Anyone from this group who to write or type the word hard work? Class. Anybody? Huwag nang mahiya. Sino po nag-type ng hard work?
A few moments later.
Hello, people.
Ako po, sir.
Yes, Buela? Sige po.
Hard work po siya, sir, because as you saw po sa picture po, the girl is so focused po, sir, para sa project news.
Maybe may hinahabol na deadline. Okay? Hard work kasi tama din. For this course, you should focus and talagang it requires hard work or hardships. And that's not to give you pressure, class, ha? Baka isipin nyo nagpapagawa si si Sir Kenji ng project o si Sir Adi para pahirapan kayo, para mag-struggle kayo, no? Huwag nyo ilagay sa isip natin that is a pressure. But instead, it is a challenge. A challenge na para at least matuto kayo, at the same time, ma-apply yung matutunan ninyo. Hindi nyo kasi ma-appreciate ang electronics kung we live by the book, or we just read the material and then discuss ano ba yung RLC components, ano ba yung active components, how does it work. Dapat ina-apply natin. Ma-appreciate mo yung mga components, yung devices, yung parts kapag gumawa ka na ng electronics project. That's the good thing about electronics. Ang halimbawa, if I'm planning sa workshop 2, we will be using microcontrollers. I-advance na natin para mag-level up kayo. Ma-enjoy niyo and ma-excite kayo paano niyo pag i-control yung mga iba-ibang LEDs. Yung phase niya, yung timing niya, and then other motors, or let's say servo motors, para at least masatisfy nyo din, masabi nyo na we're teaching you a world-class type of education. So, tama din. Pero, as a student, it is your responsibility na gawin yung project, mag-attend ng class regularly, pass the exams, para matapos nyo to, and it's for your own good na din. Okay? Sige. Thank you, Miss Buela. Ano pa? Okay. Kung halos parehas yung tanong. Sige. Let us proceed to the next slide. Okay. Who typed the word component? Anyone from the group would like to react or share or tell us?
Ito po, sir.
Yes, Opina.
Components po, sir, kasi yan po yung mga parts na nakalagay po sa isang printed circuit board to function as one circuit po.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Mr. Opina. Sa first topic kasi ng ELS 22, we will be dealing with component. Diba? Kaya in the next slide, makikita nyo doon, components are electronic devices that is used to operate a circuit based on its function or use. Components class can be classified into two, the active and the passive. Okay. I think it was discussed way back when you were in first year about the distinction or the difference between a passive from an active component. And all of the machines, all of the devices, products, gadgets are run by or manipulated by electronic components. Electronic components class plays an important role for a device or a gadget to function. And bago kayo, hindi naman pwedeng ilagay nyo lang lahat yan ng mga components na yan and gagana na yan. As I've said, kagaya ng mga sinabi ninyo, it undergoes several stages or process. Diba? Kasi dito, hindi agad kayo gagawa ng project lang. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, mabusisi din tong course na to. You need to undergo step-by-step process. Hindi, halimbawa, gagawa kayo ng joule tip na project. Diba? Alangan, i-build nyo agad siya. Ilagay nyo na sa yung mga components sa PCB and then paganayan nyo yun na. Una, you need to plan. What type of circuit am I going to use? Or what are the specific components needed for that project? In other words, do a background or research. Okay. Importante class, sa klase na to, hindi lang ma-hone yung skills ninyo, but to develop your research skills. Kaya nga, pinapa-research ko kayo. By the way, sabi ko ba sa inyo last time, part of my recitation is I want to know your project. Diba? Balikan nyo yung video para at least ma-sum up ko kung anong mga pwede natin gamiting project for this course. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin yung lahat na yun po ang gagawin ninyo. Pipili lang po tayo. Okay? Sabi nyo sa akin, I need to be considerate. I need to be lenient. Kaya, hindi po ako nagde-decide on my own kung sa tingin ko hindi kaya ng budget, hindi kaya gawin ng estudyante. Pero, dapat, it will undergo pa rin sa akin. Kailangan kong i-review if yung project is related ba sa mga topics na pinag-aaralan natin. Diba? Halimbawa, magpagawa ako ng drone or DIY drone sa inyo. Pero, the components or elements ng drone is for higher subjects or courses. Kasi may mga subject kagaya ng microcontrollers, programming, iba po yun. Okay? Pero I have a little background kung paano gumawa ng mga ganyang project. So, pero i-consider pa rin natin, maliban sa is it related sa topic, even yung budget. Diba? Yung tight ang budget ninyo, let's simplify. Okay? Sige. Yun. Starting from the planning, that's why I asked you to do research about certain projects. Kaya maganda ngayon pa lang, isipin nyo na, habang wala pang tinuturo si Sir Adi or binibigay sa ating instruction, na pwede nyong gawing project. Diba, nag-usap na tayo kung anong mga requirements ko. Okay? After you plan or research about the project that you want to make, you need to lay out. You need to provide us a working drawing or details. As far as I remember, you encountered or experienced BTC 11 or BTC 12, which is a technical drawing 1 and technical drawing 2. Ang technical drawing 1 class is more about practical or manual type of drawing. Pagdating natin sa technical drawing 2, yun ang problema di ba? I know hindi lahat kayo naka-experience gumamit ng software because that time was pandemic, right? Tama po ba? Les, are you still with me?
Yes po, sir.
So, may I know, ano ba yung mga project niyo last time sa technical drawing 2 or sa BTC 12? Since nahihirapan kayo since pandemic that time. Anybody?
Ano sir, yung last na pina-project po sa amin is mag-create po ng 3D. Resistor, LED,
mga components. Anong ginamit nyo? Is it AutoCAD, Blender, SketchUp? Ano ba yung pinagamit?
Sir, is AutoCAD po yung nagamit ko po sir.
Okay. So, paano? Good for those students na merong laptop. But how about yung iba? Pumupunta ba sa mga computer shop? Nakikigamit? Ano ba yung naging strategy natin? Anybody would like to share their experience po? Hello? Guys, are you still there? Sino pa po? Ang dami nyo dito. Who else? Hello class, are you still with me?
A few moments later.
Hello? Opinya?
Yes, sir.
Opinya, you're there?
Yes
Vincent?
po, sir.
Ano yung project nyo sa technical drawing to? Alala mo pa? Sa Pulangi ka, di ba? Last time.
Wala man po pinaproject si sir sa yung kami sa PC, sir. Nagpaano lang po siya nung about sa AutoCAD po. Yun lang po yung topic niya.
Okay. I'm a bit worried kasi kailangan sa workshop na to is you need to design. You need to design your own circuit. Pero, di ba you have a subject, fundamentals of electricity, electronics, and circuits. Pag-aaralan nyo kung paano ang pag-read, interpret, schematic diagram. if I'm not mistaken, way back when you were in first year, I oriented you some of the drawings. Drawings represents symbols. Diba? May mga designs, may mga pictures. But here, sa electronics, you should be familiar with schematic. Pwede din pictorial, ano pa, PCB layout, component layout, and then yung final drawing or the perspective or drawing. So, yun ang mga kailangan kong layout sa subject na to or sa course na to. So, once you know what will be your project, syempre, bago mo siya ilagay sa PCB, yung mga components, dapat meron kang layout. Kasi the layout, the diagram, it serves as your guide to understand the flow of circuits, the circuitry operation, and then the connection of each component. Diba? Alam mo dapat kung asa yung the polarity. Diba? When you say polarity, the positive and negative terminal. Diba? So this time class, it's more practical application and I'm very hands-on pagdating sa mga ganyang project. So I have to be observed. So I have to observe you. Okay? Yeah, that's why pag laboratory, I need to monitor the progress of your project. Hindi lang pwedeng hayaan ko kayo basta-basta. Okay? Kasi halimbawa, may ginawa kang project without my without my supervision, na-assemble mo na yung project, yung pala hindi gumana. So the sad thing pa is gumastos ka ng ganito kamahal. And to tell you honestly, class, to understand electronics, you need to spend certain amount of money. Kasi this course is also expensive with regards to the project. Tama yung sinabi ninyo. The university, yung BU po, offers good quality of education with free tuition. Pero, pagdating sa mga requirements or projects, meron kayong babayarin. Meron kayong gagastusin. Okay. Buti nga kayo during our time, meron kami binabayaran na tuition fee and meron din kaming binabayaran na project. Sa inyo, project lang. Okay? Sige. Let's proceed to the next part. LED fuse. Sige. Let us proceed to the components. Okay. So I ask you to sort and categorize kung anong component to belong. Okay? Sige, let's proceed with the passive kasi marami yung sa passive. Sino po ang sumagot nito? Or nagpumili nito? Yes. Ano na tayo?
Ako po, sir.
Sino po? Hello?
Vincent po, sir.
Okay. Sige, what do you think is this component?
Silicon diode po, sir.
Okay, good. Silicon diode. Saan ba ginagamit ang silicon diode?
For rectification po, sir.
Rectification na matatagpuan sa anong mga products or devices?
Power supplies po, sir. Linear power supply.
Okay, good. To be specific. So, class, tama. Thank you, Mr. Opina. Pag sinabi nating diode, it is a passive component. It controls the flow of current. Ikuan ko lang sort of a review para at least ma-refresh yung mind natin. It's a passive component that controls the flow of current in only 1D. Pag sinabi natin 1D, one direction. So, ang diode is a polarized. Okay? Meron siyang positive and negative. We have the anode and cathode. Okay? Iba yung term ng positive and negative sa diode. Okay, we have the anode and cathode. Tapos class, tama yung sinabi ni Mr. Opinya na ang diode is itong type of diode kasi ang diode class iba-iba ding klase yan. Pinaka-popular, ang pinaka-common ginagamit as indicator is yung LED. Diba? LED stands for light emitting diode. We have also the photodiode. Right? Iba din yung function niya or application niya. Since we're talking about this type of diode, ginagamit po siya sa mga power supply. Diba? Ginagamit siya for rectification. Pag sinabi natin rectification class, it is the process of converting of AC and DC. If you can still remember, nung freshman kayo, napag-aralan natin yung pinagkaiba ng alternating current sa direct current. Right? So from 'di ba ang AC, ang range niya is nasa 220. 'Di ba? 220 volts. Pag dumaan yan sa diode, rene-rectify niya or kino-convert niya. Yung AC magiging lower TC component. So yung doon ginagamit ang diode. Okay? Sige. Who's next? Pili naman tayo. Eto. Sinong pumili po nito?
Ako po, sir.
Si Tangkuan. Sige. What do you call this device or component?
Transformer po, sir.
Okay. Why did you say na ang transformer is classified as a passive component? Sa tingin mo lang, based on your analysis or idea.
Ano po, sir? Unlike a transistor and MOSFET, the transformer, sir, does not require external power supply for its operation.
Okay, good.
Therefore, it's a passive element.
Okay, good. Kasi ang transformer is a device that it's either steps up or steps down voltages. Okay, and it does not require an external source. Okay, that's one of the characteristics or distinction or pinagkaiba ng tawag dito ng ng active sa passive component. Okay? So, ang transformer kasi class, it ginagamit, 'di ba? Ginagamit siya sa for converting din. Kaso ang mini-mention dito yung voltage. Okay. Halimbawa, may tinatawag tayong step up. Kasi ang transformer may dalawang klase yan. Step up, step down. When say step up, it increases voltage but decreases current. Step down naman, vice versa. Decreases voltage but increases current. Okay? So, if you are familiar with the symbol of the transformer, meron siyang coils sa loob. If you try to open it, and you will see a coil of wire inside. Actually, may duwang coils yan, class eh. It has a primary winding or the primary coil, and the other one is the secondary winding. So, thank you, Mr. Tangkuan, for sharing us the bakit sinabi ang transformer is a passive component. So, let's proceed. Okay, kanino po to?
Sa akin po, sir.
Sige.
Ano po yan, sir? Isa po siyang klase ng inductor na inductor po siya at magkaiba po yung tawag niya. It's either choke po or low pass filter po yan.
Okay. Good. So, this type of component class is what we call, tama yung other term ni sinabi ni Mr. Opinia, it's a choke or a low pass filter. Okay, ginagamit siya for inducing voltage. Diba? And to give you a trivia, inductor and transformer, parehas lang po yung function niya. Transformer are also inductors because they are also wrapped around with wires. Diba? Ginagamit ang mga ganitong devices sa power supply, sa tuning, sa and other application. So, inductor, transformer, these are we can say that these are passive component. Okay? How about this one?
Ako po, sir.
Oh, ba't ikaw lang lahat nito? Yung iba, ba't hindi nagpa-participate? Sige.
Ano po yan, sir?
Teka muna. Parang nakakalata na ako Yung iba po, sige. Balatay, are you there?
Yes po, sir.
What do you call this type of component? Ito, yung tinuturo ko. Are you familiar with this component?
Hindi po, sir.
Oh my God. Hindi ba ito natakal sa inyo? When you, last time or last year? Hirap talaga pagprodukto ng online. Yung nakakatawa eh. Ang daming honor students last time. Diba? Now, since are you not familiar with this component? Hindi ito
Yes
din.
po, sir.
Hindi, I'm talking to Mr.
Capacitor, sir.
What type of yeah, good. Sabi mo, di mo alam. So, what is a ceramic capacitor? Saan siya ginagamit? Yun. Kaya na tayo. Wala na. What's the use of ceramic capacitor?
Pwede po, sir, sumagot.
Si Kwan muna, si Balata ay. Kasi, okay, pasagot po.
Ceramic capacitor po, sir, is nilalagay rin po yan after the electrolytic capacitor because it serves as an ripple voltage filter po.
Okay, good. To remove the ripple. Ripple kasi ito yung mga noise or distortion ng mga components. Halimbawa, sa power supply, yung goal mo is to makapag-produce ng output na 5 or 9 volts. Pero, since nag-undergo siya ng different stages, and most of the power supply, meron siyang capacitors. Ito yung nag-aalis ng mga ripples or unwanted noise or distortion. Okay? Para ma-regulate and ma-filter out yung mga excess na signals bago siya pumunta sa regulator para makapagbigay ng sufficient 5 volts. Plus, come on! Electronics ka mo. Sabi ko baga sa endo, pasensya na makulit ako or kung nakakatraman ako yung araw gayon eh. Plus, dapat familiar ka mo sa mga components. Makasupog po sa ibang prop or pag abutin ng third year or fourth year, you are not familiar with the components and paano gamitin. Kaya huwag kayong ma-hurt. This is for your own good. I hope you are familiar with the components and not only that, how to use. Halimbawa, practical lang ko kamo. Draw a schematic diagram of a bridge type or full wave power supply. I understand. Tama naman, may point din naman kayo. Okay, may point naman din kayo kasi we're struggling sa online. But this time, class, it's the other way around. Meron tayong blended. Okay? And, please, class, ano ba ang problema? The materials are already there sa ating classroom. Babasahin nyo na lang. Hindi ko naman kayo nire-require na masteran, pag-aralan yung maigi or masteralan nyo. Hindi eh. Kasi andito pa rin kami para i-guide kayo. Much better, meron kayong tinatawag nating prior knowledge. Kasi these topics is just an overview or a recall or a review last time when you were in first year. Para ma-determine ko, malaman ko kung kailangan ko bang mag-adjust, kailangan ko bang mag-step up, or kailangan ko bang makaisip ng possible projects na kaya ninyo. I hope you understand. Okay? Sige. Who select this component? Anyone?
Ako po, sir.
Okay, Monforte. Sige.
Isang electrolytic capacitor po siya, sir, na
Okay, good.
nag-restore or release ng energy, sir. Nag-filter din po siya, sir, ng pulsation ng energy po.
Okay. Good. Salamat. Good to know. So, Mr. Tama ba, Monforte? Sa tingin mo po ba, itong capacitor na to, is it, what do you call this? Is it polarized or non-polarized? Do you have an idea? Mr. Monforte? Nagusting ba ako?
No idea po, sir.
Okay. Anyone would like to help? Sige. Mr. Tang Kuan. I saw nauna si Mr. Tang Kuan. Okay? Yes po?
Polarize po.
Bakit? Sa tingin mo, bakit sinabi tong polarize? Palaki natin itong component na to. Bakit sinabi mong polarize? Who would like to help, Mr. Yes? Go ahead. What is it?
Ako po, sir.
Sige. Go ahead po.
Ano po, sir, may positive and negative po siya, sir, na
Okay. Tama. Pag sinabi natin, di ba, sinabi ko kanina, when we say polarized, there is a positive and negative side. Okay. But based on the picture, how can we say or determine, di ba, dalawang terminal siya, right? Dalawang terminal siya.
yes po, sir.
How can we say that this is a positive and which is the negative?
Pag mahaba, sir, yung ano, sir, positive, sir, tapos yung maikli, sir, is negative.
Okay, good. Tama
Tapos,
yun.
sir, sa balot niya po, sir, may sign po na negative yung white part po, tapos yun po.
Correct. Tama po. Thank you, Mr. Monforte. Okay? Yan. Dapat, class, hindi mo lang alam kung ano ang you don't need to aside from identifying the component, alam mo kung paano gamitin yan. Ang capacitor, we have a variety of capacitors with different applications or uses. Merong electrolytic, may mylar, may tantalum, 'di ba? May mga large capacitors, iba din yun, ibang application yun. Okay? Aside from alam mo kung anong itsura niya, kung anong size niya, kung anong physical appearance niya, alam mo kung saan siya i-connect. At i-remind nyo ha, dapat bago kayo mag PCB layout, alamin nyo if tama yung connections na ginawa ninyo. Okay? And you should be familiar with the symbols. The symbols. Yan pa. If you can still remember, we had an exercises or activities in trying to identify the different electronic symbols. Because as you go along with the course, pagdating nyo ng second year, third year, and fourth year, you will encounter this. Palagi nyo ito may encounter, yung symbol ng capacitor. Later on, pag-aaralan nyo yung logic gates, yung mga X, NOR, OR gates, ganun. May mas complex pa niyan. Meron kayong tinatawag na logic circuits. Ang prop nyo dyan is si Sir Bustamante. And may papagawa sa inyong layout. Ilalagay yan sa Catalan paper. Malaking paper yan. And may papagawa sa inyong activity or project tungkol doon. Okay, so ngayon pa lang, hinahasa ako na kayo, tinitraining ko na kayo. Plus, what's the use of Google? What's the use of internet? And other search engines kung di nyo gagamitin ng mabuti. Ano ba? Real talk, ano ba? Ginagamit natin ang technology natin for TikTok, for social media, for mobile games. Hindi ko naman kayo binabawalan. Pero you are studying here. Diba? Gamitin yung technology ng maayos. Okay? Para hindi po pagdating sa klase ko or sa other courses sa ibang prop, hindi tayo nga. Okay? Pasensya na itong klase na to kasi sa akin kasi dapat po hands-on, participative. Hindi yung para makikinig lang kayo sa akin na tinuro na yan ng ibang prop. Ganun pa rin. Paulit-ulit tayo. Okay? Sige. Tama yung sinabi ni Mr. Monforte. Dapat alam natin yung polarity ng component. Positive and negative. Kung parehas siya pantay yung haba, look at the indicator. Diba? Makikita nyo sa gilid, meron siyang minus or negative na symbol. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka-fundamental. Alam ko, aware kayo dito. Who selected or picked this component? May I know?
Ako po.
Sige. Books? Yes?
A resistor is taken as a passive element since it cannot deliver any energy possible.
Mhm. So, ang resistor class, ito yung kung sa electronics po, and even others, dito sila familiar. Ito yung fundamental components ng electronics and electricity. The resistor. Okay. Resistor is a device or component that resists. Kaya may word, di ba? From the root word, resist. Resistor, resist. Pag sinabi natin resist, based on the dictionary, it means to limits, to restricts, to hinder, to flow, to block the flow of current. Sir, sabi mo sir, ang kailangan sa devices ng kuryente. Bakit kailangan natin lagyan ng resistor ang mga devices kung hinaharangan lang ng ganitong component? May I know your reaction? Hello? What's an idea? Okay. Mr. Agaraw?
Kasi sir, di ba sir, sa isang circuit sir, may specific na voltage lang ang kailangan sa isang device. So, we need to put resistor sir para malimit niya yung kuryente na dumadaloy dun sa circuit para mas maging compatible yung dumadaloy na kuryente dun sa device para hindi masira sir.
Okay. Very good. Tama yun. But I also saw the hands of Mr. Monforte. What is it?
Na-mention na po sir yung safety sir ng components po sir.
Okay, correct. For the safety of the component and also and also the device. So, ganun po ka-importante ang resistor. Diba? And please, lahat ng components, lahat ng devices nyo, gadgets, merong tayong resistor dyan. It's either surface-mounted devices or SMD or actual type, yung may terminal at both ends. Okay? And if you can still remember, pinag-aralan nyo na yung resistor color coding. Right? Knowing the value, paano ba, kasi akala nila, ang akala ng ilan, kung bakit may iba-ibang kulay yung resistor is for aesthetic daw, or for beauty. No. Each color has a corresponding function or role. Diba? Yung first digit, yung second digit, first band, second, diba? This, and the last color is all about the tolerance. Right? As a student, aside identifying this component, dapat alam nyo kung paano mag-test, mag-measure, mag-troubleshoot if these components are effective or not. By the way, di ba may subject kayong tools and equipment, right? Or fundamentals of electronics. Paano malalaman using a multi-tester? Give an example, na ito ay short, leaky, open, or defective. Anybody would like to share? Yes, Mr. Opina?
Pag shorted po, sir, ang reading po sa multimeter po, sir, is 0 po. And pag leaky po, sir, it's either po na malapit na po sa 0 or half na lang po yung resistance. And sa open po, sir, no resistance at all po, sir.
So, does it apply to all components or selected lang?
Selected lang po, sir.
Okay, good. Kasi hindi naman po siya applicable sa lahat, ha? And by the way, do you have your equipments or tools pa rin ba sa inyo? Class, I'm referring na to Mr. Opinia sa lahat po. Meron pa ba kayong tools and equipment? Hello?
Yes,
po, sir.
Okay. So, importante po yung soldering iron natin. So, since hindi pa tayo naglalaboratory, pwede po linisan na natin yung soldering iron. Okay. By the way, paano ba linilis ang soldering iron? Oh, yan ha. Okay. How about the others? Can I hear from other voices? Same tayo eh. Parehas yung tinatao. Paano ba lininilisan ng soldering iron? Anybody from this group? Class, are you still with me? Do you find it boring na? Okay, Mr. Opin na. Tell us more about it.
Ako po sir, ang technique ko po sa pag-release ng soldering iron po sir is gumagamit po ako ng steel wool po sir. Or pag meron pong yung tip cleaner po, yun po yung ginagamit ko. Pero pag wala po, pag ginagamit ko po yung soldering iron ko, is mostly ginagamit ko po yung steel wool para pangtanggal lang po ng solder.
Okay. Pero wag niyong kakalimutan na ginagamitan niya ng damp or sponge. Pwede siya basain. Okay? And another thing pa, wag niyong gagamitin yung cutter. Masisira yung tip. Primarily, nasisira ang soldering iron mostly sa tip. Kapag hindi na kaya madala sa linis, palitan na po. Yung tip po nabibili naman sa mga electronic supplies, 'di ba? Sa Kinetic, sa Lai, or if not, order kayo online habang maaga pa. Okay? Kasi gagamitin niyo 'yan sa mga ang dami yung subjects, courses na kakailanganin yung soldering iron. Particularly sa mga laboratory. So if I were you, ayusin na po natin yung mga tools. I-check natin kung 'di ba, ang iba diyan ay stock kasi di nagagamit. Baka yung mga wires open na, baka kinagat ng daga or i-make sure na okay pa. I-lubricate yung mga anong tawag dito, yung plies kung sakali matigas na or sa hindi nagagamit. Plus, gagamit kayo niyan whether you like it or not. Diba? And are you familiar with helping hand? What's an idea of what is a helping hand? Okay. Ang helping hand is yung ginagamit sa electronics. Meron siyang magnifying glass at the same time doon nilalagay yung board. Yung board sa parang may holder siya kaya siya tinatawag na helping hand. Ginagamit siya pag troubleshoot, pag diagnose, and pag repair paggawa ng project. Okay? And class, since I keep on reiterating tools and equipment, ready na po niyan. Anytime soon, we will start working on your project. Sige. So, how about this one? What's an idea? How about the rest? Kotang-kota na si Opin niya. Class, from Busit, East Campus Tabi, do you have a representative here? Pinapangalaan ka mo ng Bulangi Campus. Anyone? What's an idea? Class. Eto na naman tayo. Waiting in vain. Class, are you still there?
Anong kailangan kong gawin upang...
Anybody who has an idea? Naku, tatawag na naman ako. Wala patawag talaga itong mga batang to. Agaraw, do you have an idea about this component? Hello?
Wala po, sir.
Okay. Wala tayo? Hindi nyo pa ito nakita or na-experience? Wala tayo. Ayaw. Navarro. Mr. Navarro. Nag-silent mode na.
Sorry sir, tinawag ako sir.
Sige. Nakikita mo, teka, pakita ko. Nakikita mo to? Na in-enlarge ko? Nakikita mo?
Yes po sir.
Media ka nito?
It's new to me sir.
Okay, sige. Sige, bigyan na natin kay Opinya. Opinya, what is this component?
Transistor po yan sir.
Okay. Transistor, what type? Hindi mo na alam. Tama yung sagot mo. Transistor TO3 or T-type of transistor. Okay? Pag sinabi nating transistor, ang description niya mostly 3 terminals. But ito, it's different. Okay? Ang kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, class, ang daming components na dapat yung pag-aralan. Kasi electronics technology kayo. I know, sabi ninyo, you are struggling, but still, di ba, as what you've said, it should be taken into consideration or priority. Okay? So, class, please bear, hindi ko kayo tinatawag para pahirapan ko kayo because I want to challenge you and I want you to learn and appreciate this course. Kasi alam ko ang iba, hindi talaga trip itong course na to na electronics. So, we're doing our best kasi ito yung magiging kuha nyo eh. Ito yung magiging career nyo in the future if you will pursue this one. And interesting ang electronics kasi madaming challenge, madaming mga kailangan talaga i-stimulate mo yung inyong brain cells, i-activate mo yan. Lalo na kapag nagla-laboratory proper tayo, gumagawa ng project. Okay? So, I think, let's, kuhan muna. Parang information overload na kayo. And I know, toxic na. Every time na niririnig niyo yung mga symbols or components. But, class, I'm just trying to refresh your mind para at least, guided na kayo sa kung ano ang gagawin nyo dito sa course na to. Okay? I'm happy that some of us here nakapag-participate. Don't worry, your output, your answers, your feedback will be recorded. And yun. Buti na lang hindi to lecture ha. Laboratory to, yung course niyo. Kung lecture to, talagang madami tayong activities na gagawin. I had this initiative para makita ko kung how far have you gone with electronics. Ano pa yung mga natutunan natin? Ano ba yung mga na-experience natin? Para i-prepare ko kayo for the next step. I-condition ko kayo. So, madaling sabi. Okay. By the way, may I know or recall, can you recall, ano ba yung mga project na ginawa ninyo for the past, last year? Tama ba? Yeah, for the past year. Anyone? Tangkuan? May idea ka ba?
Sir, yung nung first year, sir, yung converter po, yun, sir, yung pinagawa mo po.
Ay, sa iba, second sem, may mga projects ba kayo? Di ba sa mga major? Ano mga projects ang ginawa ninyo? Yun lang po ba? Related sa electronics, ha? How about the others? Gallardo? Do you have an idea? Can you recall what are your projects sa electronics?
Yung ano po sir, yung sa Rona PCB po, yung gagawa ng sariling layout na binigay.
Okay. So, I assume na meron kayong background kung paano ang paggawa ng PCB. Ay pag-develop, ay paggawa ng diagram and then how you're going to transfer that to the PCB. Okay? Sige. Mr. Balatay? Balatay, paggalawin mo naman po yung baso. Baka si Balatay tulog ha. Sige, Mr. Monforte? What else? Ano bang project ang ginawa ninyo last time? Mr. John Monforte? Paging Mr. John
Wala man po, sir, pa-project, sir, nung second sem po, sir.
Kaya pala medyo hindi. Sige, I understand. Sige. Sa inyo opinion sa Pulangi campus, may I know what were your projects? Mr. Opina? Vincent? I think nawala ata si Mr. Opina.
Ay, dito po ako, sir.
Sige. What was your project last year? First and second sem?
Sir, second sem, ano po, yung power supply po, sir. Yung ready-made na pong nabibili po sa shop na assembly na lang.
Yung AC-DC converter ba yon? Yung may knob?
Opo, sir,
yung manual?
Yung selector po.
Magkano yon last time? 300 plus? Or tumaas?
Yung 700 milliamps, sir, nasa 540 po, sir. Sa kinetic.
Grabe ang presyo.
Complete naman po siya, sir.
Grabe tinagtad eh. Kasi if I can still remember, nung nagpa-project ako yan, grabe ang kwan ngayon ang search ng prices. Nasa 300 or 200 plus lang eh. So well, anyway, thank you for sharing. So class, this time, application na po tayo ha. By the way, meron na po ba kayong naiisip na project na individual na pwede nyong gawin, pwedeng related sa ating topic? Kasi, ang iba sa atin, I saw that, yes, what is it?
Ano sir, para sa akin sir, Joule-Tiff inverter sir.
Okay, how about the others? Still? Okay. Thank you for being honest, Mr. Bug. Sige. I'm going to show, i-upload, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga possible projects and pipiliin po ninyo kung anong gawin yun. Kung anong gagawin natin para doon. Okay? So, this time, I'll wait for Sir Adi kung anong instruction niya once he deliver his topic, kung pag-usapan namin kung ano magiging project. So, to give you an idea, probably kay Sir Adi, ang requirement niya sa inyo, since lecture siya, is technical report. Okay? Sa akin, yung project mismo. Kasi yung project, may kaakibat yun na technical report. Halimbawa, sa technical report, it tells or discuss kung ano ba yung project mo, what is it all about, give me an introduction, para at least ma-develop din yung writing skills ninyo. Kasi pagdating nyo ng research class, magsusulat kayo. You're going to create or you're going to have a book or what we call the hardbound copy of your thesis. So, pasensya na kasi holistic kasi ako eh. Hindi sapat lang na laboratory skills lang pag-aralan ninyo. And it is advantage on your own part. But at least marami kayong matututunan. Okay? Siksik, marami, and talagang information overload yung course na to. Pero wag kayong masyadong di ba nauso yung term ngayon na overthink ha? Wag kayong mag-overthink lang Take it as a challenge. It takes a process. Time at a time lang tayo. In other words, baby steps. Hindi ko kayo agad pinipressure. Ini-inform lang kayo in advance para ma-ready nyo kung ano yung mga gagawin nyo dito sa course na to. Okay? Sige. Before we end, class, do you have any questions, clarifications, reaction about our activity and sort of a review about certain topics na pinag-aralan nyo last time? Last, may I know? Hello? Am I still audible? Yun na lang.
Wala naman nata po, sir. Question, sir.
How about the others? I only hear one. Anyone?
Wala naman po sir.
Yun lang? How about sila Buela, Paaseho? Can you follow? Can you still hear me? Yes? Come again? Can you still hear me, class?
Yes, sir. Ito po, sir, ang net paminsan.
Okay, sige. So, before we end, I'll send the link of your attendance this meeting. I-send ko sa ating comment section. Please confirm if na-access nyo siya or naka-post na po dito. Last, nakikita po ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa-access na po. If you're done with the attendance book, just click the right or the raise hand icon. Okay? Sige. Astillero, are you done with the attendance? Okay? Mr. Balatay, Chilis, and Astillero. Hindi pa sila nagko-confirm. Yeah, Chilis is already done. Okay. How about Astillero? Ay, nanguto na kayo din niya. Yung nagpaparamdam. Okay. Sige. So, class, another request. Please open your camera. Hello, guys. Pa-on ang camera. Let's have a photo ops as our evidence that we conducted a synchronous meeting. Eyes on the... Open your camera, please. Please cooperate para maka-lunch na kayo ng maaga. Sige. Tangkuan, Gallardo, Feliz. Sige. How about the others? Feliz. Sige. Okay. On a count of 3, eyes on the screen. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. I-check ko lang ha kung naka-upload siya. Post na muna natin. Kung andito siya sa ating madali lang. Wait. Okay. Isa pa. Last. Okay. Last na to. 1. Eyes on the screen. Everyone again. Miss Asejo, Tangkuan, Balatay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Smile. Okay. Thank you, class. Thank you for your time. Thanks for listening and participation. Okay? Sige po. You can take now your lunch. And good luck sa subject.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you din. Bye-bye. So, class, that's how we end our meeting or session for this day. And I hope you learned something or some of the topics were already discussed when you were in first year. It serves as a refresher so that I can assess you in preparation for this course, which is the ELS 22 Electronics Workshop Practice 1. So, again, I'm reminding you to please post your comments after I uploaded this video of what possible project you want to build. Okay, you want to build or create for this course. So, feel free to research and try to study. And make sure that your project is feasible and considering the time frame allotted, and I should be also considerate not just because not just for this course but also for other courses that is affected. Okay? Sige. Class, as I said a while ago, thank you for your time. Thanks for participating sa ating online session. And as what I always say, keep safe always.
Zombie apocalypse.